Okay, you're in Google Docs and you want to start your page numbering on a specific page. We're going to start our page numbering on page 3. Now, I would recommend your first step is to view non-printing characters. You can do that by going to the View menu and then selecting Show Non-Printing Characters. Now, what that will show you is anything like page breaks, carriage returns, tabs, that sort of thing. Now, why this is important is because if you can see a page break before the content in the page that you want to start your page numbering from, what you want to do is get rid of that page break. So I'm going to do exactly that. And that'll bring the content up into the previous page. Then what I'm going to do is, instead of having a page break, I'm going to have a section break. So my flashing cursor is in front of that content I want on the next page. I go to Insert, Break, Section Break, Next Page. So that brings the content down onto its proper page. Next step is decide where you want the page numbering. Do you want them in the headers or do you want them in the footers? Now, whether you choose the headers or the footers, the instructions are exactly the same. So I'm going to assume you want the page numbers in the footer. Now, your first step is to untick this option, Link to Previous. Basically, that will mean that the settings that we apply to the Section 2 footer won't be applied to the Section 1 footer. Then I'm going to go to this Options button, go to Page Numbers, and you can see it's only going to apply page numbers to this section. Position, Footer, and I have this option ticked, Show on First Page. Now, in this context, it doesn't mean the first page of the document, it means the first page of this section. So you need to keep that ticked. Then the numbering needs to start at 1, and then just click on Apply. So now I have page numbering in section 2, but if I go up to section 1, you can see there is no page numbering. And once you've done that, you can turn your non-printing characters off, then just click somewhere in the main part of your document, and you can see that you have the page numbering exactly as you wanted it. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.